Okay, guys, let's look at question 4 of this review. All right, it says, which situation is best described by using this number line? Okay, so what this question is trying to check for is, number 1, do you understand your vocabulary terms? Do you understand which words will indicate a negative integer compared to the words that indicate a positive integer? Okay. 2, this question is checking for, do you understand how to read a number line, or do you understand how to count on a number line with rational numbers or numbers that include decimals and so on? Okay. So needless to say, what you can do is you could try to write out your expression. All right. The first number line, or the first arrow I see, it goes to negative 2.5. So I'm going to write down negative 2.5. And what was added, which we don't know. We don't know what was added, but we know that it stopped in between 6.5 and 6, which that would give me positive 2.5. Okay. Now, I don't know what was added, but if I wanted to figure out what was added, I could easily subtract. Now, we did this type of problem in one of our lessons, so make sure you refer back to your lessons. So I could actually subtract to find out, okay, what's the length of the second arrow? Okay, so I see subtraction. We can add instead, so it's going to be 6 and 2500ths plus 2 and 50/100ths. When I add that together, the actual missing number would be 8 and 75/100ths. Okay, so if I had to rewrite this expression, I'm going to write in a different color so you guys don't get confused. Let me pick a color that's far from purple. So this is the expression I'm paying attention to. 2.5 or 2 5/10. Or let's put 2 and 50/100ths plus 8 and 75/100ths equals 6 and 25/100ths. Okay. So it says, let's look at part A. It says, Ryder owed his mom $2.50. He does some chores and makes $6.25. Okay. Although that they point out that he owes his mom $2.50, which would indicate a negative $2.50, right? If he makes $6.25, this does not represent a total amount that he have left over. It's just saying that he made $6.25. If he was to pay her back with that $6.25, it would not give us the final amount. Okay, so it would not be A. So it says Ryder has $6.25. He needs to buy school supplies and end up owing his mother $2.50. Okay, so it's showing that, okay, he has $6.25, which is positive. He needs to buy school supplies and end up owing his mother $2.50. Now, although the $6.25 will indicate a positive 6 and 25/100ths, right? With him buying school supplies, that would indicate a negative 8 and 75/100ths. Okay, even though they don't tell you how much he spends, technically that's how much he would have spent. He would have went over his budget, and he would have owed his mom $2.50. But that, like I said, that doesn't indicate a positive $8.75, so it wouldn't be B either. So then for part C, it says Ryder owed his mom $2.50. He babysits his sister and makes $8.75. Okay. Now, the correct choice, or the most correct choice, would be C. Here's why. He owes his mom $2.50, and he makes $8.75, which would almost be like a deposit or a positive number. And if he pays his mom back, he would have $6.25 left over. Now, even though we realize that the correct choice is C, we're going to check D just to make sure that, or to ensure us, or to give us clarification with our decision. All right, for choice D, it says Ryan owed his mom $2.50. Then he owes his dad $8.75, which this wouldn't work because this would be negative $2.50, and then this would be a negative $8.75. Okay, so it definitely wouldn't be choice D. All right, so if you had any issues with this question, please refer to your manager's Google Meet session, and I'll see you guys in the next problem.